I'm about to show you how you can delete your character.ai account in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So all you need to do is go to the bottom left of the screen, click there on your profile, go to settings, and once you are there, go to account and manage account and data. So once you click there, you can see this option to export your data or to delete your account. So if you click there, this window will pop up asking for a confirmation, so you will need to enter your username. In my case, it's this one. And now this button will be enabled where you can delete your account and you will lose everything. You will lose your characters, chats, and all your activity associated with that account. So if you are sure you want to do that, just click the button and you will permanently delete your account. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.